is taking over, and these 5 AI tools will completely change the way you work, learn, and live. You won't believe what number 3 can do. It's like having a personal assistant on demand. Let's dive in. First up, one of my personal favorites, ChatGPT. This AI-powered chat box can do almost anything. Write emails, summarize documents, create content, and even plan your entire day in seconds. Need a last-minute trip itinerary? Just type in your destination and ChatGPT will generate a full travel plan for you. Want to automate boring tasks at work? It can handle that too. It's like having a personal assistant available 24/7 for free. That's right, you heard me. It's for free. Next, Notion AI. If you take notes or organize projects, this tool is a game changer. Notion AI can summarize meetings, generate ideas, and even write reports, all inside your notes. Imagine typing rough bullet points and watching AI turn them into a full structured document. Perfect for students, professionals, and anyone who wants to stay organized. Try Notion AI and never struggle with messy notes again. Canva AI. Canva.com is one of my ultimate favorite websites ever. Canva AI is for anyone who wants professional looking graphics without any design skills. Need a YouTube thumbnail? Social media post? Presentation? Just type what you need and Canva AI will generate stunning designs instantly. For example, I typed modern YouTube thumbnail and it created these eye-catching options in seconds. No Photoshop required. If you create content, Canva AI is a must-have. Ever wanted a professional voiceover but hate recording your own voices? Murf.ai generates ultra-realistic voiceovers from text. Perfect for YouTube videos, audiobooks, or even business presentations. Just type your script, pick a voice, and Murf.ai does the rest. It sounds so real, people won't even know it's AI. This tool is a lifesaver for content creators and businesses alike.
Real Master Glaze. Elevate your flavor game. Now, that's a steak.
Last but not least, Pictory.ai. This tool turns any text like blog posts or scripts into full videos with stock footage, music, and AI voiceovers. I pasted this short article and Pictory automatically generated a video with visuals and narration in minutes. It's perfect for faceless YouTube channels and social media content. With Pictory, you can make videos without ever showing your face or editing manually. So, which AI tool was your favorite? Let me know in the comments, and if you want more AI hacks like this, hit the button and subscribe. Plus, grab my free AI productivity cheat sheet in the link below.